Klinik De Era proudly presents our BioProtein mask. Step 1. Separate the sheet mask and BioProtein serum packets. Step 2. Open the BioProtein serum packet and remove the BioProtein vial. Step 3. Carefully remove the protective cap of the BioProtein vial. Step 4. Open the sheet mask packet. Step 5. Carefully pour the BioProtein serum into the sheet mask packet. Step 6. Carefully massage the packet for 15 seconds to ensure the serum is fully absorbed. Step 7. Apply mask on face. Step 8. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes or until the mask is dry.